Okay, everybody, here is a Harbor Breeze ceiling fan in the family room at my aunt and uncle's beach house. As you can see, it's white and brass, and it also has very interesting light shades. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. It makes a noise, and I don't know why. But that's alright. But you also might notice one of the lights is burned out. But eventually that'll be fixed. This thing is extremely powerful and works very well. Now I'm gonna go change the speed. Hold on. No, I completely shut it off. Sorry, guys. There we go. Still making noise, but not as much. Anyway. Okay. So anyway, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.